Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the ALDRICH metal full-size bed frame, a 16-inch tall black platform designed for easy assembly and noise-free sleep. This bed frame measures 53.6 by 74.6 inches and supports a full-size mattress of 54 by 75 inches, boasting an impressive maximum weight capacity of 3,000 pounds. With 14 inches of clearance from the floor, it offers ample storage space for boxes, clothes, toys, and more, making it a practical addition to any bedroom. The frame's rubber cushions effectively eliminate noise, while non-scratch gaskets on each leg protect your floors and ensure a peaceful night's sleep. Constructed from high-quality materials, this durable and solid bed frame features 9 thickened legs for extra support, making it a perfect choice for residences, guest rooms, dormitories, and apartments. Its simple style and black finish blend seamlessly with any decor, and the clear step-by-step instructions make assembly a breeze, allowing one person to set it up in just 20 minutes. Experience the perfect combination of style, strength, and convenience with the ALDRICH metal full-size bed frame, and transform your sleeping space today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.